Hi everyone, this is Pete here. So in the start of 2020, right now we're still in the first half of January and we still continue to see very good performance from the market. Okay, so today I want to share with you guys basically how to be a better investor in 2020 because the truth is this, the market right now is at an all-time high and whatever goes high and higher eventually has to come down. Okay, so each day the market climbs that little bit higher, it also means that there's a much higher chance that tomorrow, the month after, the year after, it might come down. Now we don't know when it's going to happen, okay, but we want to prepare ourselves for it. So how do you do that? I'm just going to use a very recent example to share with you guys how we over here at Buffett Online School becomes a better investor. So I'm going to use the case study of this ticker company called BBBY. For those of you who are not familiar, it is called Bed Bath & Beyond. So what happened to Bed Bath & Beyond? Basically, alright, just about last weekend, alright, Bed Bath & Beyond had their earnings and it was very disappointing and they had a 19% drop, alright, 19%. So basically the share price dropped from over $17 all the way down to $13. Okay, and this is one of the stocks that we've been talking about. I even have it in my personal portfolio and even on our model portfolio that we share with you guys on the platform. And many of you immediately message me, ask me on Facebook, basically every social media channel. I was flooded by all your messages asking me, hey, what's happening? What's going on? What should I do? Should I sell now? Is it a trap? Should I get out? Okay? So the thing is this, you need to calm yourself down. Okay? Do not panic when news like that happen. Why? Because news like that will continue to happen. Okay? So basically, news are the enemy. So you look at this. When the stock price comes down, straight away you will see many articles telling you, wow, Bed Bath & Beyond third quarter was every bit as bad as you thought it would be. Alright, Bed Bath & Beyond is in deep trouble and it could get worse. This came out almost instantaneously the moment Bed Bath & Beyond dropped about close to 19%, 20%. However, what happened subsequently? Bed Bath & Beyond had a rebound. Okay? And what happened to the news? The news changed. Now the news tells you, oh, let me share with you why Bed Bath & Beyond stock bounced today. And wow, Jim Cramer even said, hold your nose and buy Bed Bath & Beyond, right, on a 19% plunge after it has rebounded. So the thing is this, what do you do when you're a good investor? Alright, this was Bed Bath & Beyond's chart. Okay, and for those who are in the model portfolio, we initiated the position around here. Okay, and it has dropped back down to about the same level, I would say. Alright, about the same level. So what would a good investor do is this. You need to calm yourself down and ask yourself, hey, is there something really wrong with the business? Okay, because if there is really something wrong and you saw such a big drop, yes, then that would be a valid time, alright, for you to exit your investment because we don't want to invest in something that we are not confident that will be a great business. Okay? Secondly, if you realize, hey, maybe there isn't any great problem, I don't see any issues, take a look at the charts. Okay, you guys have learned about technical analysis from myself, Rash, and Sean. Alright, you guys know how to look at the charts. Look at the charts. Okay, so over here you can see Bed Bath & Beyond from about $17 dropped down to about $13.45, and it's just nice at the 200-day moving average. All right, 200 period moving average, and subsequently it rebounded back up to about $15. Okay, so look at the chart. The chart is telling you that the support level is very, very strong here. Indeed, it respected the support level and it went back up again. Okay. So if you saw that it broke through the support level totally all the way down, bam, to about $10, yes, that is where you should be concerned. But however, in this case, when we look at the charts for signs, we don't see an issue. Okay, so that's a second question you should ask. And last but not least, always do this. All right, never over concentrate, always portfolio size your position. All right, so for me, I always make sure if it's a single company that I'm super confident, I may go 15%, but I'll never go beyond that, all right, unless I got very, very good reasons. And therefore, should any of this big drop happen, it will have a limited impact on my portfolio. Okay? So the thing is this, I assure you in the year of 2020, all right, with Trump elections coming up, with China having so much activity, with Middle East now a bit uncertain with Iran and things like that, you are going to see more volatile market movement like this, okay? You are going to see big drops like this, but at the same time, you're going to see big rises as well. So do calm down when any of these things happen, all right? Ask these three very simple and basic questions, and you'll be fine, okay? Ultimately, when we are investing, try to be as emotionless as possible. Do not panic just because an event happened and then you lose your wits, okay? Because people who cannot stay calm during a crisis like this and they take foolish action like anyhow sell or anyhow buy, that's where they will truly lose money. Okay, so because so many of you all ask me, I deliberately don't want to answer any of your messages thus far because I want you guys to really take the time to think about it, and I just want to do this video very quickly for all of you, all right, to use this opportunity as a learning experience to become a better investor. Because while we will see more volatility in this year's market, do remember, it is during volatility, all right, that's where we make money. Okay, so the saying goes, never let a good crisis go to waste. So should this year be the year where everything starts crumbling down, all right, you will know what to do. You have learned from us, okay? So stay calm and carry on. I'll see you in the next video. See ya!